How long do you think you could survive without water? 1 day? 1 week? The truth is, life cannot exist without it. Water is essential for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and hygiene. Water can do all of that. You can take a you can use to take bath, you can drink water to dissolve your food, you can wash your hands to remove germs, you can wash a dish, and you can water the plant. So, good afternoon. I am Bernard Menor from 11 STEM 1. I did my own fair share research on how to conserve and protect it and what is the three basic source and distributive. So now I discuss the percentage of distribution of water, three basic source of water of and protecting and conserving it. The earth is 70.8% water and 29.2% land, but only a small portion is usable. Most water is salt while fresh water is limited. On land, just 0.05 is for human habitation, 10% conserved, and 12% for agriculture, showing how little space we use. This makes managing land and water vital. Water is essential for cooking, cleaning, farming, and sanitation, making a crucial sustainable life. Now let's talk about the there are three main source of water and water that we rely every day. So groundwater. This is water found beneath the soil and rock. It supplies well and pumps that provide water for drinking, bathing, and farming. Without it, many rural families would not have enough water for daily living. Surface water. This includes water in rivers, lakes, and creeks. It is one of the easiest source to access and it often used for household needs, farming, and even electricity. Without dams. But since it is also the most exposed to pollution, throwing garbage or chemical into river directly harm the people and community who rely on it for cooking, washing, and cleaning. So next, rainwater. Rainwater is collected when water evaporates, form clouds, and falls back to earth as the precipitation. In many homes, rainwater harvesting is practiced. Collected rain can be used for cleaning, gardening, or even filtered for drinking. This shows that rain is not just part of nature cycles but also part of our daily needs. Next is protect and conserve. One of the most valuable source that sustain life on our planet is water. In order to preserve and conserve it, we need to make efficient use of water and prevent wastage for insurance shutting off the tap while brushing one teeth. Save several liters of water a day. Water that could be utilized for utilized for drinking or cooking, for instance. We also need to avoid pollution by maintaining our river, lakes, and seas cleanliness. Because dirty water equates to unsafe water for families, schools, and hospitals. Clean water clean water is not only direct related to our own health and survival. If we take care it today, we guarantee that future generation will also save and enough water to live their daily lives. In conclusion, let us work together to protect water because the future depends on it. We have learned three basic sources of water and understood the importance of protecting and conserving it. Just as I mentioned, at the beginning, water is a basic need for all living things. And you already know the percentage that is in the distribution between land and water. Remember, eh, remember that every drop counts. We secure better and sustainable tomorrow. So thank you for watching my TED Talks as now.